Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. R is the parallelogram. So we have the vertex. And now we need to wrap this one in here. So we have 0, 0 in here. Number 1, 4, that should be in here. The next point is about 6, number 2. So number 6 in here. Number 2 in here. The next one, 7, number 6. So somewhere in here and here. Now we connect all the points. So we need to find the equation of this one, this one, this one, and this one. So for this one, very simple. When x equal to number 0, y equal to number 0, so we have the point is about 1, 4, number 4 in here. So that means we have y equal to 4x, because when we put about x equal to number 1, we have y equal to number 4. About this one in here, that's about y equals to, that's the point number 6, 2. So there should be about 1/3 x. When we put number 6 go here, we have y equal to number 2. And now next, this point is about 1, 4. This point is about 7, 6. So we need to find about vector. So I put this one is about A, this is about B. So we have vector AB. That's equal to number 7 minus 1. 6 minus 4. So we have 6, 2. Now we have normal vector AB will be about negative number 2, 6. And now we have the formula of the line, that's about AS plus BY plus C equal to number 0. So A is about negative number 2. B is about number 6. S is about number 1. I choose the point A in here. Y is about 4. To find the value of C in here. So we have negative number 2 plus 24 plus C. So C in here is about negative number 22. And now we just have negative 2x plus 6y minus 22. So we put this one and this one go to the right. After that, we divide both sides by 6. The formula of this one is about y equals to s over 3 plus 11 over 3. Now we go to the last one. This boy is about C, and we know that is about 6. Number 2. So we need to find vector CB. So we have 7 minus 6 is about 1. 6 minus 2 is about 4. So normal vector CB, we will have about negative number 4, 1. So I will choose point C in here. So A is about negative number 4, B is about number 1, S is about number 6, Y is about number 2. So we calculate about this one. And now C equals to number 22. So we have negative 4x plus y equals, plus 22 equal to number 0. So we put negative 4s and number 22 go to the right. So we have y equal to 4s minus 22. So we have y equal to 4s minus 22 in here. Now we can use about transformation. That means we need to change the variable for this one in here. So we have 4 equation: y equal to 4x, y equal to 1 over 3x, y equals to 4x minus 22, and the last one, y equal to 1 over 3x plus 11 over 3. So we put 4x go to the left, 1 over 3x go to the left, similar this one and this one. So we have y minus 4x equal to number 0, y minus 1 over 3x equals to number 0, y minus 4x equals to negative number 22, and the last one. Next, I will put about u equals to y minus 4x and v equals to y minus 1 over 3x. So in this situation, we have u equal to number 0, v equal to number 0, and we have u equal to negative number 22, v equals to 11 over 3. Next, about this one, we have u equals to y minus 4x. So we need to separate them into negative 1 over 3x and negative 11 over 3x. So we know that this one in here, that's about v. So we put v goes to the left, and we divide both sides by this one. After we got about x, so we can use about this one to find about y. So we put this one go to the left. Now we simplify this one. So we will have about x equals to 3 over 11 v minus 3 over 11 u. Y equals to this one. Next, we use about Jacobian to find the value to do double integrals. So first, the derivative of x with respect to u. That's about this one. Next one is about v. Next one is about negative number 1 over 11. We have 12 over 11. We calculate about this one. We have this number in here. Now we have this one, double integrals. We have the bounds, that's about this one. So about u, that's a form negative number 22 and number 0. About v, that's a between form 0 to 11 over 3. So this one I will use about u first. So we have du in here, dv, u from negative number 22 to 0, v from 0 to 11 over 3. X is about this one. And we have the absolute value of this number in here. We put in here. And now we just calculate about this one. So we have 121 311 multiplied by 311. So I will put all the number go outside. So we have number 9. About du, so we will have about VU minus U squared over 2. So we put number 0 and negative number 22 in here. Because this is about the bottom, so we have the negative sign here. Number 0 gone here, you got about 0. So we have negative number 22V minus 242. So negative with negative, negative, we have positive. And now we can get the final answer. We put 11 over 3 gone here, and here number 0 gone here and here. And we have 9,317. And this is the final answer.